Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. Delicious brinjal with dry galmo, also called baby shrimps. A traditional Goan recipe especially prepared in the monsoon season when fresh fish is not available easily. Hi, I'm Laddie and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for brinjal with dry galmo or baby shrimps. The dry shrimps add a unique seafood flavor while fresh coconut, curry leaves, garlic and everyday spices bring everything together into a flavorful Goan vegetable that pairs perfectly with rice, curry or chapati. So let's get cooking now and prepare this delicious brinjal with dry galmo or baby shrimps. Step 1. Preparing the ingredients. We have taken 8 small brinjals, also known as eggplant or aubergine, weighing around 350 grams. These are from our friend Antoinette's home garden. These are lovely, aren't they? Let us know in the comments if any of you also grow your own vegetables. Cut the brinjals into small pieces, the way I have done. Transfer the brinjal pieces to a bowl containing water. This will prevent discoloration. Now keep them aside. Take around 1/3 cup of dry galmo or dry baby shrimps weighing around 25 grams. Also take 2 medium-sized onions. Cut them fine. 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Cut them fine. 2 medium-sized green chilies. Cut them into 2 and then slit them the way I have done. Take 8 medium-sized cloves of garlic. Cut them very fine. 20 to 25 curry leaves or curry patta. Half cup of freshly grated coconut. Take half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. 1 teaspoon of salt. Step 2. Preparing the brinjal with dry galmo or baby shrimps. On medium heat in an open thick bottom pan, add the dry galmo or baby shrimps. Dry roast them for around a minute. Stir it continuously to prevent it from burning. After around a minute, remove the roasted dry galmo or baby shrimps. On medium heat in the same pan, add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds start spluttering, add the finely cut onions. Stir everything nicely. Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. Once the onions turn translucent, add the garlic pieces. Cook for around 2 minutes. Stir everything properly. After around 2 minutes, add the curry leaves or curry patta. Add the slit green chilies. Stir everything nicely. Once the onions turns slightly light brown, add the tomatoes. Stir everything properly. Cook for around 2 minutes. After around 2 minutes, add the coriander powder. Add the cumin or jeera powder. Add the Kashmiri red chili powder and stir. Mix everything nicely. Add the turmeric or haldi powder. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add around 2 tablespoons of water to prevent the spice powders from burning. Add another 2 tablespoons of water and stir everything nicely. Cook for around 2 minutes. After around 2 minutes, add the brinjal pieces. Stir fry them for around 2 minutes.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
After 2 minutes, add 2 tablespoons of water. Mix everything properly. Now cover and cook for around 5 minutes. Check in between to prevent anything from sticking to the pan and add little water if required. After around 5 minutes, add the roasted dry galmo or baby shrimps. Stir fry everything for around 2 minutes. After around 2 minutes, check for salt and add if required. We added around half teaspoon of salt. Add around 2 tablespoons of water. Mix everything nicely. Cover and cook for around 2 minutes. Check frequently to prevent sticking and add little water if required. Stir everything nicely. Check if the brinjal has cooked and become soft and tender. Once cooked, add the freshly grated coconut. Mix everything nicely. Delicious brinjal with dry galmo is ready. You can enjoy this vegetable hot along with rice and curry, or you can have it with bread, chapati or roti. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.